Real life no gimmicks. Real life no gimmicks.
Kusema ukweli, napenda hii sana. Yeah. I love it so much. I mean, I even wrote it a poem and performed it at a Kwani open mic.
I met this girl when my time was so cold. I was dealing with so much. I really couldn't hold these mocking punchlines for my peers invading my ears for years. So at the dark, cold, lonely corner my shelter was, she found me sitting with a coruscating smile. She said, "Hi." I said, "Yeah, you're right. You already got me high." We had a few laughs. She became a favorite to my ear as the earth swallowed the yellow sun on the horizon. Her eyes scintillated every time she blinked.
Well, that was a long time ago. Back when I couldn't speak Kikuyu fluently. Yeah, here we are. Here we are now.
Mutingeigua yipiyo ona thimo ciaikio murogane wana wakio tiate ni mwaki wakio kinde okanda no miraini maguna andu ni undu maundu mago ni andu akora emwago ni andu. Wait, nilikuwa nimeandikia 16 pia. What the fuck? This is the 8th song. This is the 8th song. Wallahi, I'm not kidding. This is the 8th song.
It's just enough.
This is the 8th song.
It is interesting how a couple of letters turns into a word. A couple of words turns into a sentence. And a well-structured sentence is no longer that, but a statement that evokes emotions, anger, happiness, or casts a spell.
Yeah.
Riu jamba sikiuga de monoti.
No. We jamba siuga de monoti.
We monoti.
De monoti.
We mo besa.
Jamba siuga de monoti. Jamba siuga de monoti. Asa gani geso ke de monoti.
Monoti.
De monoti. Jamba siuga de monoti. Jamba siuga de monoti. Jamba siuga de monoti ni kuga hate.
It means you're not straight.
Yeah, man. Mini kaharula, bro. Hata nikikunywa amarula.
Words paint mirrors, and at the same time, a portal to a different reality. And speaking of words, there are some people who say that with the Gikuyu language, it is impossible to have rhymes, metaphors, similes, and alliterations. Yeah, I guess they never heard of Flowflani. That's why I love this art. That's why I do it.
Nigga, she know the